I'm okay meeting a cop in a turn. Some of these turns, it's difficult to do more than 30. Some of them. Try to warn my brothers that there's cops ahead. That sign always cracks me up. It says, do not enter. It's a one-way road, but yet they have a weight limit sign. What's the easiest way to throw up a 3? And if the police are patrolling this road, if they're not sitting still somewhere, it's really hard to avoid them. Hey, and just FYI, there are flock cameras on the Foothills Parkway. I counted 3 of them this morning. They were not there on Wednesday. So if you think you're safe from cameras and government, nope, they're going to take away your 4th Amendment every which way they can. I gotta say, they did a good job of cleaning up this road since Wednesday. You can still see it's kind of dirty, but for the most part, the road is clean. I wish they'd get those logs out of the ditch, though. Hey, that's what you have to be careful of. Hitting a dummy in a Ford F-150 on Deals Gap. Because he wants to use the whole road. It's jerks like that that get riders killed. why we can't have nice things. 129 photos. They're the only photographer out here who puts a decent amount of pictures up on the interwebs. Killboy used to do it, but I think he cares more about the dollar now than he does about self-promotion, which is okay. I'm sure he's made his millions. This turn is dirty. That is a dirty turn. A dirty, dirty turn. Yeah, such a dirty turn. I'm on this bike today instead of the 848 because I wasn't sure if Deals Gap was going to have gas today. They didn't have it on Wednesday, and I thought I read a post yesterday that said that they didn't have it. And that 848, the older it gets, the closer I have to stay to gas stations. So I took this bike. I can get 250 miles on a tank of gas on this bike. I wish there were more options for motorcycles. They could get 200 miles on a tank of gas. And don't be blowing up my comments saying that your Ninja 400 can. I'd like to have a bike that has more than 100 horsepower. That I can ride for 3 hours without needing gas. Alright, we made it to Deals Gap unscathed. We haven't crashed yet. We're almost to the store. The camera battery's still running. So life is good. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Here it is. Deals Gap Store and Resort. There is no one here. This is a deserted wasteland right here. There is nobody here. Wow. Looks like they have power though. It's a cool looking BMW. Oh, but there it is. This is what it looks like. Does that Harley Davidson make him look fat?